Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. And we make self-growing planters. They've been growing this lilac bush for about 4 years now. We've had it and it was half dead on the property. We took the plant, put it in a torpedo pot, and it grew 10 times the original size. But what's so important about it is that the torpedo pot has been growing this plant now for about 4 years. And I haven't had to do anything. The only thing I did was to replace the feeding stick around it to make sure it doesn't get clogged. And I hit it with a 3-12-12 and that's it. What's so good about your bushes is that in a torpedo pot, because it grows food so well, you don't have to worry about your bushes dying, because all they do is live. It's very hard to kill a plant in a torpedo pot. It's extremely hard. Once you put it in there, you fertilize properly. You should have years and years of enjoyment with the lilac. Now, in a torpedo pot, and this is a beautiful, beautiful bush. I just wanted to show you how big this thing is. It's huge. It is literally, literally huge. And I enjoy it. I love being in my bushes. I love being a part of nature. But what's so good about it is what you don't realize is that this lilac has a tremendous scent that's going throughout this community. People in this area come and then look at this lilac bush in a torpedo pot because there's nothing like it in any of the properties that are around here. This lilac is healthy, it's strong, and the scent is just unbelievable. You gotta get your lilac to enjoy the scent of what's going on here. But I like the bushes because I don't really have to do much work. All I do is put the plants inside the planter down here. I turn a knob on the planter, I set it, and I forget it. I don't have to do anything else. And year after year, I'm guaranteed beautiful, beautiful lilac. And I'm guaranteed a scent, a fragrance that just goes all through my neighborhood that people love and enjoy. Torpedo pot is no joke. It grows your food and your plants for you with no human intervention. If I leave this in this pot, it could remain in there for as long as I want to. And I think it'll be in there for many, many years to come. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you with no human intervention, so that you can have food around the clock whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Now, the maintenance as far as this bush is concerned, I really don't do anything at all. Every year I come in, I check the watering stick to make sure it's feeding properly. But otherwise, I don't do anything at all to this plant. It takes off on its own. And it's on the same watering cycle of a lot of other plants, so we don't have anything to worry about. But my goodness, guys, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Stunning. I love my bush. Absolutely stunning. What's so good about the lilac is that you don't see any dead. There's no branches that's not getting nutrition. You're getting full nutrition all the way around the bush, and it is truly, truly amazing. I love it. I love it. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we grow your food for you with no human intervention, as you can see, and it's doing a tremendous job with this lilac. I expect this lilac to even increase in size even more. We have our strawberries that have grown in the background that should take over this trellis, because the lilac would just turn into a big bush. But guys, wish I can mail this to you and you can take a set of it. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.